Question number 11. A task is completed by 30% in 50 days if they work 6 hours per day. How many hours of work will be needed every day if 20% have complete in 15 days? Yeah, question number 11. 30% complete the task 15 day 6 hour daily working. 30% complete task in 90-hour working. 15 into 6 90-hour working. Work needed every day X hour. 20% complete the tasks in 15 day in X hour. 20% complete task 15 X hour working. यहाँ देखिए 30% 50 डे वर्किंग 6 आवर पर डे. 30% 90 hour working. Labors and time taken to is the inversely related to each other. यहाँ 30:20 proportional 50x ratio 90. यहाँ 50x equal to 90 into 30 upon 20. यहाँ देख लीजिए 30/20 इक्वल टू 15x/90. 15x इक्वल टू 90 इंटू 30/20. x इक्वल टू 15 छक्के 90 6. यहाँ देख लीजिए ये 90 इंटू 30/20/50. अब कैंसिल आउट, ये 0 0 कैंसिल आउट, यहाँ 3 बच गया. 15 इंटू 90 6. 2 इंटू 6 3. 3 इंटू 3 9. 20% कंप्लीट द टास्क इन 50 डे नीडेड 9 आवर डेली. ये आंसर. A car leaves Saraipali, travels at 75 km per hour and reaches Raipur in 4 hours. Next time there was traffic and the construction work on the road, due to which the speed decreased by the 15 km per hour. How long will be car take? How long will be take to reach Raipur? Distance to Raipur. Speed into time. Speed कितनी है 75 into 4 equal to 300 किलोमीटर. Time to reach Raipur. Next time to reach Raipur. डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. डिस्टेंस कितने हैं 300. स्पीड 75 माइनस 50 इक्वल टू 60. 300/60 इक्वल टू 5 आवर. टाइम टेकन टू रीच रायपुर 5 आवर. A bulb is lighted 4 hours every day for 16 days. The electric bill is rupees 80. How many bulb can lighted for 3 hours for 16 days so that electric bill is rupees 40? Suppose bill lighted for the 3 hours into 16 days so that electric bill is 40. 16 into 3, 48. bulb, 48 bulb, 48 hour, HOUR. In first case, given that 10 bulb lighted for 4 hours for 60 days, total time for 10 bulb equal to 10 into 2, 40 hours. Total time for ये 10 into case, second case, decrease light bulb hour, decrease bill. Electricity bill is the direct relationship. टोटल टाइम 10 बल्ब कितना है? टोटल टाइम 10 इंटू 240, रेशियो इलेक्ट्रिक बिल 80, प्रोपोर्शनल 48x, इलेक्ट्रिक बिल 40, या x इक्वल टू 10 इंटू 240 इंटू 40 अपॉन 80 इंटू 48 इक्वल टू ये आ गया 25 बल्ब। ये आंसर आ गया हमारा। A task is completed by the 48 persons in 25 days. If they work 8 hours per day, how many days needed to complete the double task? If 30 person work 10 hours per day, 10 hours every day, 80% complete task in 25 days. So 80% double task complete in 50 days, 8 hours daily. We know that number of person and number of days are inversely related to each other. Second condition, numbers of day complete task in X day, 30% complete double task, X into 10 hour, 10x hour. यहाँ देख लीजिए 48% रेशियो 30%, या 10x इंटू 400 आवर ये रेशियो। ये कितना है? 50 इंटू 8 इक्वल टू डबल टास्क इन 400 आवर। यहाँ 48% रेशियो 30% इक्वल टू 10x रेशियो 400 आवर। यहाँ लिख लीजिए 480 इंटू 400 अपान 30 इंटू 10, equal to 16 4 days. Complete double task, 16 4 days needed. Question number 15. A and B together complete task in 24 days. C and B complete same task in 12 days. And the A and C complete task in the 12 days. How many days will we take to complete the task if we work alone? And देख लीजिए, how many days will take A to complete the task if he work alone? अगर अकेला काम करे तो कितने में दिन लगेंगे? A plus B complete task in 24 days. A and B 1 day complete task in 1 upon 24 task. C and B complete task in 18 days. C and B in 1 day complete 1 upon 18 tasks. A and C complete task in 12 days. A and C in 1 day complete 1 upon 12 tasks. यहाँ देख लीजिए, यहाँ A plus C 1 upon 24, A plus B 1 upon 24 minus B upon C 1 day equal to 1 upon 18. 1 day working. A plus B 1 day work plus A plus C 1 day work minus C plus B 1 day work equal to A's 2 days work. 1 upon 20 प्लस 1 upon 12. यहाँ देख लीजिए क्या हुआ, ये A प्लस सी प्लस A प्लस बी प्लस B प्लस बी. यहाँ ये B प्लस सी कैंसिल हो गया तो B प्लस सी कैंसिल हो गया तो 2A बच गया. 2A's दी 2 days वर्क, A's 2 day वर्क. यहाँ LCM 72 डिवाइडेड बाई 24 3. यहाँ 72 डिवाइडेड बाई 12 6. 6 into 1 6 minus 4. 3 plus 6 9 minus 4 equal to 5 upon 74 is 2 days work. Is 2 day complete task, 5 upon 24 task in 1 day, 5 upon 72 upon 1 upon 2, 5 upon 144. Complete task in 144 upon 5 days. A complete task in 144 upon 5 days. Answer. A task is completed by 50 men in 16 days. How many men needed to complete 1/4 task in 15 days? यहाँ 50 men complete one work in 16 days. Time taken for 1/4 work, 15 into 4 days. Note that the number of person and number of days are inversely related. Number of person 15, ratio x is directly proportional to 15 proportional 4. X equal to 15/4 equal to 15. 15 into 4/15 equal to x. x equal to आ गया ये 4. 4% needed for complete 1/4 task in 15 days. Eleven spiders win 11 waves in 11 days. Then how many waves will one spider spin in one day? Eleven spiders, 11 waves in 11 days. 11 spiders wins 11 waves in 11 days. One spider wins one wave into 11 days. Now, in 11 days, wins one wave in one day equal to 1/11 wave. In one day, one spider wins 1/11 wave. Two tapes together fill a tank in 6 hours. One of the tapes alone fill in 10 hours. How long will it take to fill the tank if only the second tap is open? Two tape fill in the 1 hour. In 1 hour, 1/6 tank fill. First tape fill tank in 10 hours. In 1 hour fill 1/10 tank. Second tape to take fill tank is X hour. Time taken to second tape equal to 1/6 minus 1/10 equal to LCM 30. 30 divided by 6, 5. 5 into 1, 5. 30 divided by 10, 3 into 1, 3. 5 minus 3 equal to 2/30 equal to 1/15. Second tape 1/15th part fill in the 1 hour. So second tape fill the tank in 15 hours. Fill tank a 15 hour. Answer 15 hour. एक सौ बीस गुणित 60 7200 40 डेज 1600 माइनस 1600. अच्छा है ये 40 डेज कितना हुआ 120 गुणित 40 4800 2400 40 4800 2400 बचा. कितने स्वेटर बचे 80. food for 120 soldiers. SOU, SOL, SOL. For 60 days equal to food for 7,200 so Charlie days food used 40 days equal to 120 गुणे 40 तो 48 तो 2400 would remain for 2400 soldiers. Number of soldiers. एक सौ 20 माइनस 40 बराबर 80 120 सोल्जर्स रेशियो कितना दिन है 40 नहीं 120 सोल्जर का कितना है 120 सोल्जर 20 एक सोल्जर्स सोल्जर का 40 80 सोल्जर्स का एक्स इक्वल टू एक्स 120 गुणित 20 40 60 माइनस 40 बराबर 20 देश 120 बटे 80 एक बराबर सपोज 2 soldier food remaining x days 120 with 20 80 बराबर x 80 equal to x equal to 30 days चलो इसको भी ले लो गड़बड़ हो गया A camp has sufficient provision for 120 soldiers for 2 months. After 40 days, 40 soldiers deployed in elsewhere. How long will be the remaining provisions for the remaining soldiers? For the remaining soldiers. Food bar 120 soldiers for 60 days. Food 1 day food for the 7,200 soldiers. Food use 40 days. So 1 for 20 into 40, 4,800 days equal to 24. Food remaining for 80 soldiers is equal to 20 days. Now numbers of soldiers, food remaining for 120 soldiers, 20 days. Now number of remaining soldiers equal to 80, equal to 80. Suppose for food remaining x days, यहाँ देख लीजिए 120 रेशियो 20 proportional 80 into x, x equal to 120 into 20 upon 80 equal to x equal to 30 days. Remaining food for 80 soldiers 30 days.